Hello friends, welcome to my channel CG Jitesh class. Class 7 science classes. In chapter 1 nutrition in plants, today we will discuss the topic photosynthesis. The synthesis of food in plants occurs in their leaves. Leaves have a green pigment called chlorophyll. Because of this, it looks like green in color. It helps to capture the energy of the sunlight. This energy is used by the plants to synthesize or prepare their own food using carbon dioxide, water and minerals. Hence, leaves are called the food factories of the plants. Definition: green plants use carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll to synthesize their food. It is clear from the figure that the plant draws water and minerals from the ground through roots. The leaves take in carbon dioxide from the air and release oxygen. Chlorophyll present in plants' leaf captures sun energy so that plants make their food. In photosynthesis, 6 molecules of carbon dioxide combine with 6 molecules of water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll to give 1 molecule of glucose and 6 molecules of oxygen. Raw materials for photosynthesis: first, water and minerals from soil; second, carbon dioxide from air. Water and minerals. Water and minerals are absorbed by the roots from the soil. From roots, water and minerals are transported to other parts of the plants by the vessels. Vessels are tubes that run throughout the root, the stem, the branches and the leaves. Carbon dioxide. Plants take carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Carbon dioxide enters the leaves through tiny pores present on the surface of the leaves. That pores are called stomata. Sunlight. Sunlight is the light energy that comes from the sun. Photosynthesis takes place in the presence of sunlight, so this process takes place in daytime. During photosynthesis, the plants use the energy of sunlight to prepare their food. That is why the food making process in plants is called photosynthesis. Photo means light, synthesis means to combine. Chlorophyll. The leaves are green due to the presence of a pigment called chlorophyll. It helps leaves to capture solar energy. This energy is used by the plants to prepare their food by using carbon dioxide, water and minerals. Product of photosynthesis. Initial product of photosynthesis are glucose and oxygen. Glucose is stored in plants and algae in insoluble forms, while oxygen goes into the air. Glucose gets converted to starch, whose presence in the leaves indicates the occurrence of photosynthesis. Conclusion: photosynthesis is a unique process. By photosynthesis, plants prepare their own food. It supplies food directly or indirectly for all living organisms. Herbivorous animals like cow, buffalo, goat, deer eat plant leaves. Carnivorous animals like tiger, lion, leopard eat herbivorous animals. Human beings eat both plant products and animal products. So in this way, photosynthesis supplies food directly or indirectly to all living organisms. In this way, the energy of the sun thus gets passed on to all organisms through plants. In photosynthesis, along with glucose, oxygen gas is released. So, by photosynthesis process, plants not only synthesize their food but also provide oxygen needed by all living organisms for respiration. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel so that you will get the notifications of my upcoming videos. Thank you.